Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to interact with the CSV files using the RPy module and Python language. So I have written a program to search in a CSV file. For searching in a CSV file, we need the CSV module first, and to install that module you need to go to the command prompt and type pip install. I have my pip3, so I have to write pip3 install. So next is Python dash CSV and then hit enter. So pip install Python CSV. This will take some time, and as I have already installed my CSV, it says requirements already satisfied. You will get a successful result here as you have not installed your CSV earlier. Now after this, as your CSV module is already installed now, I have created a program in which I'll open data2.csv. Now my data2.csv contains this sheet which includes vehicle numbers 1, 2 and 3, and I have to search if my given vehicle number is present in that sheet or not. So I have written this program, and this is the vehicle number I have given to be searched in that Excel sheet or CSV file. So this is the program. You can have a look at this. If that number is present, then I have to print the number is registered, and if it is not present, then I have to print number is not registered. So I'll run the program and show you. So here number is not registered because this HR26DK8337 is not present in this CSV file. Now if I copy one of the numbers here and add it to my text which is to be searched in the file, then it will show that the number is registered. Let's see. The number is registered. From here we can understand that it is searching from the CSV, that is data2 file, that is this, which will result in whether the number is there or not. It will keep on finding. So that's it. I just wanted to show you how can you use CSV files in RPy. Thank you.